To change your payment method on Crypto.com, start by opening the app and selecting the account option from the bottom of the screen. From there, choose the F8 wallet option, which will display your current F8 wallet balance. Next, click on the Deposit Now or Transfer button, and then select Deposit from the subsequent window. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to select your F8 currency. You can either choose your default currency or set up a new one. The app will then show you the available deposit methods, and you can select your preferred method, such as instant deposit or bank option. Once you've selected your method, you'll see the option to link your bank account, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to add your payment method. Simply select your bank, click Continue, enter your payment details, and your payment method will be added to your Crypto.com account.